Hi, I'm Elvin Camphouse with M Contractors. I do commercial roofing, I do low slope roofing, I do a single plies, and I do a spray and place polyurethane foam. I like giving great customer service. That's what sets me apart from most other companies. I'm small enough that I can answer any questions, be there generally within the same day. I want to be there. Most of my business is repeat customers and through customers referrals. I really enjoy doing what I've done. I've done it since been in college. It's fun. I really enjoy my work, and I love helping fix people's problems. People should be more proactive with their roofs, and because it will save them money in the long run if they're more proactive and take care of their roof. General maintenance, stuff like that will prolong the life of their roof. A&M's a small company. No job is too small or too big. As little as 100 square feet up to 5-acre roof. I'd love to take on any project you have. Please give me a call.